Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the theft detection lock on your phone. If you have ever wanted to turn on this feature and make your phone easier to use, you are in the right place. So let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone, and once it's open, scroll down and find the Security and Privacy option. Now tap on it. More security settings and tap on that as well. After that, find and select Theft Protection. Under the Theft Protection, you will see the Theft Detection Lock option, which will be turned off by default. To turn it on, simply tap on the Theft Detection Lock option, and that's it. You have successfully turned on the Theft Detection Lock on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.